Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own kombucha. Making your own delicious, fizzy kombucha at home is simpler than you might think. We'll cover everything from gathering your basic ingredients to enjoying your first homemade batch. You'll learn about the essential SCOBY, the fermentation process, and how to achieve that perfect balance of sweet and tart. Get ready to brew a refreshing and healthy beverage right in your own kitchen. Before you begin, gather your essential supplies. You'll need 1 gallon of filtered water, 8 tea bags, either black or green work well, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Crucially, you'll also need a healthy SCOBY, which stands for symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, along with about 1 cup of its starter tea. A 1-gallon glass jar, a breathable cloth cover, and a rubber band complete your setup. Now let's start brewing. First, bring the 1 gallon of water to a boil, then remove it from the heat and steep your 8 tea bags for about 10 minutes. Stir in the 1 cup of sugar until it fully dissolves. It's vital to let this sweet tea cool completely to room temperature before proceeding. Once cool, pour it into your glass jar, gently add the SCOBY and its 1 cup of starter tea. After 7 to 10 days, your first fermentation is complete. Carefully remove the SCOBY for your next batch and bottle the kombucha. This is where you can get creative. For a second fermentation, add your favorite fruits, juices, or spices to the bottles. Seal them tightly and let them sit at room temperature for 2 to 3 days to build carbonation. Then, refrigerate and enjoy your homemade flavorful kombucha.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.